Hello, hello, good afternoon. So today is 8 May 2022, and here I just want to clarify my project and then present it to you. And where is the Sanglan collage? Ah, okay, here I upload the uh complete successful, but this is only one part, only for only the first part of my project because the whole project is too large. So I just upload the first part of my project. Okay, if you are interested in my project, feel free to contact me to the. I will introduce you the whole project. And the project is about the I want to recreate or reconstruct the virtual world for the um vivid explanation for I Ching, the old Chinese uh philosophy book. Okay, and my project named the Eyes of Future, that we use this software to predict something will happen or properly happen in future. That's it. And here is my word scene. And the first thing I just I click the edit, and then I find the project setting and try to enable preview package and to download the terrain toolbox and here and then here and create a new one, but with the tile x-axis is equal to 3 and tile z-axis is 3 with it. Actually, we created the 9 parts of the world. Each part has its own meaning. For example, the first part is here, and we also in my world building, you will see here is a river in the northeast. So here I just named this one river in the north. So and here I just create a river. So how did I create the river in Unity? And first you need to select the terrain, and then to increase the height of the terrain, and then use the brush tools to decrease the height of the terrain, and then put another plan with the free texture of the water, and then you will see the river uh, in the north of our terrain, the first part. And the second part is this is the surface of the water in the first terrain, in the first part of the terrain. And then the second part is here we create a snow mountain which represents the Qian discrete direction, the one of the 8 elements in I King, and then we represent in the uh, with the snow mountain, and the snow mountain is here. And how I how did I create the snow mountain in Unity? As uh, you toast us, and firstly I just use the brushes here, uh, here, and then use the brushes, painting terrain, and then select select the rise or lower terrain, and then choose a path to increase the height of the mountain. And then you need to create the layer. You need to switch to the paint texture, and then you have a lot of you have three you will see three layers we have built. The first one is rock, and then we create a rock mountain, and then we use the brush to paint the snow on the mountain, and then you will see the whole result like that. This is the second part uh, of my scene in Unity, and the third part is the rocky mountain um in the northwest in the northwest sorry northeast. So we use the rocky mountain to represent the Gen elements, which is included in easing philosophy. Also, the same way I create the mountain as a snow mountain in the northwest. So this is the same thing I told you. I don't want to repeat it, and you will notice that there are a lot of parts interact with the center, and the center is a plan world. And here in I will introduce is this way. In this range I create a forest which represent the forest gene. So also gene is an element one of 8 elements in I Ching. So we just in the east, we just create a forest to represent the gene element in each gene, and I will see here. You will see here a lot of forest. I just add the trees, and add the trees is kind of easy, and you just select the terrain part, and then try to use the either tree brushes. And here is you. Oh, first you need to download the free trees elements in Unity, and click the eye trees, and then you select the kind of trees you want to add, and then you just use the brush, click here, and then you will plant a lot of trees there. And it should be noted there is a wind effects in the forest, and you will see the trees wave, and then you will see the grass part. So this part represents the grass part in our project, which represent uh, the grass in the sun direction, which is also one of 8 elements in the I Ching philosophy. We just say here, and this is it. Okay, and the next part is the Li part, also one of 8 elements in I Ching, and you will see it sees in the source. We create the fire. That is a particle system. We just use particle system to simulate the fire. We just use the fire to represent the south direction in the old Chinese philosophy. And then you will see the fire. I just look the particle system. I just here. First, you need to get the asset store search on the online, and then you will see the free fire, and then download it and open your Unity, and then uh, load it in your scene, and you will see the effects like this one. So it's like cool in this way. So I just adjust some parameters in the particle system. So it's the duration time and the start lifetime or start speed or start color, emissions, well, the shape, the color over lifetime. It's just some parameters, and then you will see the flare effects in Unity. And in the southwest, it's just to create the ground, which represent the Earth in the southwest. So I just create the ground side, and then I just make a texture, pen texture in with different layers, and then you will see the world building like this. And the last part I want to introduce is this part. This part is represent the mass in reality. So we just recreate the lake to represent the Dui in the direction of west in the traditional Chinese philosophy. And here is just to create a lake, and the same way as the river. So this is the lake, and then finally I want to introduce the thing I put in the middle, no, in the center. So we call it the plan world, and this one is I create the model in Blender with Python, and here I just list all the possibility with the combination of 8 elements, and then you have 64 possibility in distributed around the center, and then you will see the different name. And also I just